A federal judge has indicated that she could appoint a neutral party to go through and examine those materials. As CBS correspondent Natalie Brand reports, a hearing on the matter is set for this Thursday.
Ahead of this big hearing scheduled for Thursday, the Department of Justice says it's working on a more detailed list of the materials removed from the former president's Florida home as requested by the judge. We also know that the Director of National Intelligence is reviewing the classified materials that were retrieved. That's something that lawmakers from both sides of the aisle have called for.
The U.S. Justice Department faces a new deadline this week to provide more information about what documents were seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida residence. In a new court filing Monday, the DOJ said a team review identified a limited set of materials that potentially contain attorney-client privileged information and is going through normal procedures to address privilege disputes. Federal Judge Eileen Cannon in Florida has signaled she may appoint a special master or independent party to review the documents, though she's not yet made a final decision. Friday's release of the heavily redacted affidavit behind the search reveals of the 15 boxes returned to the National Archives in January, 67 documents were marked confidential, 92 marked secret, and another 25 marked top secret. The affidavit also indicated that some of the documents may have contained information from CIA spies or informants.
This is the most sensitive material of the United States intelligence community.
In response to requests from U.S. lawmakers, the Director of National Intelligence says her office plans to conduct a review to determine whether the former president's handling of classified material may have put national security at risk.
This involves material that is part of an ongoing criminal investigation, and we just aren't going to comment on that.
I did nothing wrong.
The former president has come out swinging against the FBI search, and so have some of his most ardent supporters.
If there's a prosecution of Donald Trump for mishandling classified information after the Clinton debacle, there'll be riots in the streets.
Former Obama and George W. Bush White House officials have criticized Graham's comments as, quote, dangerous and inciting January 6th all over again.
Back to that hearing scheduled for Thursday over the issue of a special master. A former federal prosecutor who we've been talking to says one important distinction here is that if that individual, that independent legal party is appointed, they would be reviewing likely only the attorney-client privilege issue, not the classified material. In Washington, I'm Natalie Brand, KPIX 5.